Well, good afternoon and welcome back to Northern Maine Productions. A little update on this old MTD white outdoor power LT 1300 machine. I've been working on this most of the morning and some this afternoon, and I've got the tractor itself pretty much all back together. I changed the grill and the headlight out. I took the one off the MTD yard machines, and amazingly it fit on there perfectly. Even the side panels were able to be put back on it. I found a spacer here in my collection to put on the crankshaft so I could put the brand new crank pulley underneath there. So I've had it going here and drove it around the yard here some. The drive system's working very well on it. Amazingly, the stack pulley, the variable speed pulley's not froze up on it. This thing's been setting for, it's been setting over a year. I brought it here last year and I think it had quit the previous summer in 2022. I've had the engine running. The engine sounds good. It's nice and strong. Probably I may have to take the carburetor off in it and clean it out a little bit. I don't know if I got some water in the stupid thing or not, but it's kind of having a little bit of a galloping fit here a while ago. It wasn't doing that last night, but let me see, I put the original seat back on it. I had to put the cover back on this stupid thing. It had all pulled out from under this stuff here. Robbed the battery out of one of my snapper mowers and put the battery back in the stupid thing. Probably ought to put that up over there just in case. Yeah. I'll see if I can start it up here. One of the only other things that I've got to do to the tractor is I got to get a headlight bulb for it. One of the headlight bulbs burned out when I started it, but I have to take the top cover back off and hook up the kill switch wire so that when you turn the ignition off, it'll shut off so I don't have to choke it out. But let's start her up here and see how she sounds. Yeah, that thing's really not happy now. I'm gonna have to drain the stupid float bowl out. There must be some water in there. I changed the fuel filter on it this morning. I didn't have a brand new filter, so I took the one off the old snowmobile sitting over there, and apparently this stupid thing had water in it. Because it didn't do any of that last night. It ran good. I think I'll see if I can drain that float bowl out a little bit here and see what happens. But maybe I'll jump on it here and see if I can drive it around a little bit. I'll set the camera on the pickup, right on the back of the pickup here. That should work. Yeah, I'd say she's got some water in there. You bounce the thing around a little bit and smoothens out. So anyways, I'll get that taken care of. And we'll move on to putting the deck on it and getting the kill switch hooked up again. Anyways, guess that's it for now. I think it's lunchtime. Talk to you guys later. Bye bye.